Hello. Here's exactly how you too can quickly and easily have your complete business plan to raise finance and maximize your financial results. Everyone knows that a robust business plan is essential to raise finance and maximize profits. But creating a business plan that actually achieves those goals can seem a daunting and arduous task. However, every business needs a business plan, and here's why. Because you'll unlock the full profit potential for your business. Does your business need finance? Every bank requires a business plan before they even entertain the idea of lending finance. What if you could go to your bank with your business plan already written? You'll be confident of your plans and financial projections and inspire your bank manager with your business acumen. You are more likely to receive funding if you prepare in advance. There are 6 key problems with most business plans and how to eliminate them. Here are some of the common mistakes people make when completing their business plans. Mistake 1. Incomplete financials. Finance is perhaps the most important section of any business plan. Lenders want to know when they will have their loans repaid and assess the risk. You need to produce commercial accounts that accountants will endorse without question. Mistake 2. Over-ambitious projections. Everyone thinks the business will grow exponentially in the first 12 months, but in reality, this is rarely the case. Your business plan must show a realistic path to profitability that proves your actual revenues and profits are comparable to your written plan. Mistake 3. Leaving something out. Every business plan follows a defined structure. Lenders and professional readers look for 3 or 4 aspects of your project. You need to ensure you have these elements correctly written in the right area of your business plan. Mistake 4. Incorrect format. Your readers do not expect a 100-page novel, nor a 1-page overview. Getting this fundamental area wrong will show your readers just how inexperienced you are. Mistake 5. Poor understanding of marketing. Communicating your products to your prospects is a critical success factor for every business owner. You need to show you understand your target customers, what their needs are, why they will buy from you, and how you will communicate with them. Mistake 6. An inability to sell your plan. It's you who needs to explain to your lender or investors every question they have about your business. You need to understand everything that your plan contains. How to ensure you don't make those mistakes by using our Ultimate Business Plan service. We can now complete your Ultimate Business Plan in the knowledge that it won't have any of the mistakes above. You can download a fully completed business plan in the next 72 hours. By using this already completed plan, you can save time and money because you can have your own plan right now based directly on an industry standard and completed business plan. Immediately see the exact contents required in your own business plan. Accurately present your plan in the correct format banks prefer for loan and overdraft applications. Quickly prepare accountant-endorsed financial forecasts and plans and eliminate potential errors. Learn profit-improving strategies specifically developed for your business. Start your business plan immediately because you can access this plan in less than 72 hours from now on. ultimate business plan is written exclusively for WealthPoint Capital Investments by Sipho Moganedi, one of South Africa's leading business plan experts. Sipho has been writing successful business plans since 1991 and is the former consultant to SAB Kickstart project. He has written this plan specifically for raising finance and forecast the business for the next 3 years. This plan, together with his professional business planning wizard tools, can be downloaded within 72 hours after an order. How much is a winning business plan worth to you? By using our Ultimate Business Plan service on your business, you can benefit from 20 years proven experience of perfecting business plan that always secure finance and improve business performance. To get access to all this crucial information and the benefit of years of research and experience would normally cost hundreds of thousands of rands. An accountant will charge upwards of 15,000 because that's what people will pay for specialized knowledge and instruction. That's why the Ultimate Business Plan package is such an affordable investment in your business for just $4,999. 100% no risk, 1 year money back guarantee. Order and download the Ultimate Business Plan today, completely risk-free, and start using it on your business. Then, if for whatever reason you cannot raise any finance or improve your business results, simply send your plan to us and we'll give you a full refund, no questions asked. Try it up to 1 whole year. We know it can take a time to close a finance deal or to put plans into action. That's why we give you a whole year just in case you need it. Order your business plan right now by clicking the button at the bottom of this video.